Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth from theroadtomakingmoremoney.com, and in today's video I just wanted to do a brief overview of the new look at Wealthy Affiliate. For those of you who don't know, Wealthy Affiliate is my go-to platform. This is where I have all my websites hosted. This is where I have a community of other entrepreneurs that I network with. And it's basically my back office for my online business. It's what I recommend to most people that are starting out, or even if you're not starting out, but you want to kind of have just one main place where you can learn, build, and just maintain and grow your online business. Wealthy Affiliate is the place to do that. And they recently have updated their website and have a new look. And so I just wanted to go through a little tour of it. This will be a brief tour and just an overview, because what I plan on doing is in future videos, I will kind of focus in on each aspect. So this is just going to be a generalized overview. So definitely make sure you subscribe so that you can know when those other videos are coming out. Okay, so this is the main site that you're going to see when you first get on, and you can either sign up here or log in if you're already a member. So here we are. This is my profile page. There I am right there. And so this is the new look. As you see over here to the left is basically your entire menu section. So let's start by going to the dashboard, and I will show you that. So here at the dashboard, this is just pretty straightforward. Over here on the right, you have a scrolling column of the live chat. And then here we have the most recent blog posts that the members of the community have posted. And so I usually scroll through these and check them out first thing in the morning, see what everybody's up to. So that's your dashboard. So we're going to go on to the very first tab here, which is training. So we click on training, and here is where all of the training that you can find at Wealthy Affiliate, well, there's actually more, but this is the basic hub for training. Now, if you're a starter member, you're not going to be able to have access to all of this. You're just going to have the first courses. So for instance, this getting started page, you as a starter member would have access to all 10 of these lessons. And that would be it. You'd have to upgrade in order to get any of the other training lessons. And so this is the online entrepreneur certification training, and there are 5 courses in there, each with about 10 lessons each. The affiliate bootcamp, this has 7 courses with about 10 lessons each in that. And here is the training activity. You can go to the training headquarters, where you can learn, almost anything you would want to know about affiliate marketing and all that. Let's go back. And finally, we have classrooms. This is where you can find out more information. So let's say you're interested in, scroll down here. Let's say you're interested in email marketing. You want to learn more about that. You can go to that classroom. Or maybe you're wanting to get into video marketing. Here's another classroom. So that's where you find all that under the training tab. Okay, next we're going to go to websites. And under this tab, everything to do with your websites is right here. So you have your site manager where you can go to your emails. You can log into your websites and just basically manage any of them. Your site builder, site domains, where you can find domains and actually purchase them from here. You don't have to go somewhere else like Namecheap or any of those other places to buy your domains. You can purchase them right here. That is one of the newest additions to Wealthy Affiliate, which I love. Okay, we also have site content. I will actually be that'll be one of my first videos where I'll go a little more in depth. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that on site content. And this is where you can write your blog post. It's a really great platform for writing. Site comments, I'll also be doing a video on site comments, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when these come out. Okay, and you have site feedback and site support, where you can get 24/7 support for your websites if anything was to go wrong. Or if you just need help, maybe you've kind of run into a snag and you just need some guidance or some help, you can go to site support. Okay, next is live events. This is one of my favorite parts of Wealthy Affiliate, is the live events. Every Friday, Jay puts on a live event, a video, and basically goes through a different topic each time, and it is just the most invaluable information that you can get. And you can go back, they're live, so here's one coming up, is this coming Friday on June 1st. And it looks like he'll be discussing coming up with niche ideas / idea generation. That's a great one. So right here, I could just subscribe, and that reminds me that it's coming up. That's all that means. And I can watch it. Now, if I don't have time to watch it, let's say I'm going to be going out on Friday night, guess what? All of the previous live events are all recorded, and you can watch them here. You can watch all the years. It's years and years and years of his videos. As you can see, he has a lot of content here. We've got using the new Google Search Console, first steps to list building, just all kinds of great information within these videos. Repurposing content for additional traffic. I actually just watched that. Super great information if you're looking to get more traffic, and you want to use your old content to in order to get some more traffic to your site. Great information. Love this. I would pay for the premium membership just for this alone. It is so great. Okay, moving right along really quickly. We're going to go to the research tab. This is where you kind of get some analytics on your site. You can analyze your competition. You can discover your site rank, find out where you're ranked within Google, Bing, and Yahoo. You can also do keyword research. This is technically, it's a keyword research tool, and it is integrated with a Wealthy Affiliate. It is the best keyword research tool I have found to date, and I recommend it to anybody that, if you have a blog at all, you need keywords, and you need to know how to use them, how to find them, how to find the best ones, and this is where you do all of that. And I'll be doing a video about this as well, so don't worry, there's a lot to know about this, so that's going to have to be a much more detailed video. All right, next we have live chat. We saw that earlier at the dashboard, but this is just the main scroll right here where you can go to live chat. And lastly, we have the Help Center. Here's where you can also access site support. You can ask a question here. Another way to access live chat, and then you can also private message any member of the community if you have a question or want to, pick their brain about a specific topic. And that's about it. So as you can see, the new look, I really like it. I think it's up to date. I think it's very easy to walk through with all the different tabs. They kind of group everything, in the right area, and it's just so easy. And this is, like I said, this is my back office. This is my main office. I log into it every day, and this is how I run my business. I probably only use, I would say, maybe 2 to 3 other tools for my business, and most of that is organizational tools like spreadsheets, and then I have a few traffic sites that I use for traffic, and of course social media. But other than that, this is the main tool that I use for my business. And like I said, this is what I recommend to anybody who's looking to get started in affiliate marketing. This is an all-in-one platform, and you really can't beat it. that's it for the tour today, and I'll be going more in depth into a lot more of the features of Wealthy Affiliate in future videos. But for now, I will leave a link at the bottom for if you want to sign up with Wealthy Affiliate and check it out for yourself, see what you think. You can start for free, give it a trial, and you can stay a free member if you like. A lot of people end up doing that. It's worth a look, and like I said, I recommend it to everybody. So that's it for today, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you.